Foul smell from animal waste can be dangerous to humans and the environment. This video explains to you why foul smell and waste from farm birds and animals like chickens and pigs can be dangerous to human health and the environment if mismanaged. Poultry and piggery farming is a viable business. In Uganda, 40% of households are at least involved in poultry farming. However, without observing health, environmental, and social impacts, it can pose health risks to human, the environment, and the surrounding community due to poor waste management and foul smell. Some of the human health risks include respiratory problems due to difficulty in breathing. This is because ammonia, hydrogen sulfide from manure irritates the lungs. It can worsen asthma, bronchitis, and chronic respiratory diseases. It can also cause eye, nose, and throat irritation. Exposure to these gases cause burning sensation in the eyes and throat. Prolonged exposure to foul smell can cause headache and fatigue, leading to dizziness, nausea, and reduced concentration. It can also cause rashes or irritation to the skin if in close contact. Poultry and piggery presents high risk of infection from bacteria such as E. coli, Salmonella, and Campylobacter in waste if washed into the water sources, but also can become airborne and affect humans. To the environment, there are risks such as air pollution, because gases like ammonia, methane, and volatile organic compound, as explained earlier, reduce air quality. Waste from animals can cause water pollution as well. If waste and leachate from these facilities enter streams or groundwater, it leads to eutrophication and contaminates drinking water. Animal waste can also lead to soil degradation. When it accumulates in the soil, it alters the soil pH and it kills beneficial organisms. Waste from animals can contribute to climate change. This is because methane from pig waste and nitrous oxide are powerful greenhouse gases. To the community, animal waste can present unpleasant living conditions. This is because strong odors reduce quality of life and may force nearby residents to relocate. Economically, it can bring losses. It lowers property values in such affected areas, reduces tourism and investment. It increases risk of disease outbreaks because flies and rodents thrive in smelly environments, spreading diseases like typhoid and cholera. A person who engages in activities that result or aggravate pollution contravenes Section 163, subsection 1A of the National Environment Act, Cap 181. However, if the facility or a person discharges or emits any pollutant into the environment contrary to the approved standards, contravenes Section 163, subsection 1C of the National Environment Act, Cap 181. Any entity that intends to rear birds up to 1,000 is required to submit a project brief and obtain a permit or license from the National Environment Management Authority for operating such a facility.